Hello beautiful soul, welcome to Infinite Manifestations. In this video we will talk about the mysterious and powerful master number 22. This number holds secrets and mysteries that have fascinated numerologists for centuries. I have spent countless hours studying the unique characteristics and symbolism of this master number. And let me tell you, the master number 22 possesses incredible strengths and equally formidable weaknesses. As always, please take every aspect that resonates with you and leave the rest aside or try to reflect on them. By the way, if you stick to the end, I have a gift for you. Now, let's start with the strengths. Master number 22 is often referred to as the Master Builder. This is because it has the ability to turn dreams and visions into tangible realities. Individuals with this master number have an innate ability to see the big picture and envision a world that is better than the one we currently live in. They have a strong sense of purpose and are able to inspire others to join them in their quest to create something truly great. One of the greatest powers of Master number 22 is their ability to bring together people from all walks of life to work towards a common goal. They have a natural talent for leadership and are able to motivate and inspire others to achieve their full potential. They are also excellent problem solvers and have a keen eye for detail, which allows them to overcome obstacles and challenges that may arise. However, as with all things, the Master number 22 is not without its weaknesses. One of the biggest challenges for individuals with this master number is that they can become so focused on their grand vision that they lose sight of the smaller, more mundane tasks that are necessary to achieve their goals. They can also become impatient and frustrated when things don't happen as quickly as they would like. Another weakness of master number 22 is that they can be so focused on achieving their goals that they neglect their own well-being. They may become workaholics, pushing themselves to the brink of exhaustion in pursuit of their dreams. They may also struggle with anxiety and stress as a result of the pressure they place on themselves to succeed. Despite these weaknesses, the power of master number 22 far outweighs any challenges they may face. They have the potential to achieve incredible things and leave a lasting legacy that will be remembered for generations to come. Their vision, determination, and leadership skills are qualities that are sorely needed in our world today. Master number 22 is a powerful and enigmatic number that holds great significance in numerology. Those who possess this master number have a unique set of strengths and weaknesses that make them both formidable and inspiring. If you are lucky enough to have this master number in your numerology chart, embrace it and use it to create something truly great. The world needs more master builders like you. If you are a master number 22, comment below "I am a master number 22" and I will do my best to reply to each comment. You must learn to combine the highest ideals with enormous power to achieve the largest of material goals. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and those with this master number must learn to balance their lofty ideals with the practical realities of the material world. The lesson of master number 22 is indeed tough, but it is also incredibly rewarding. You have been blessed with a unique set of talents and abilities that enable you to achieve great things in this world. You have a strong sense of purpose and a deep desire to make a difference in the lives of others. However, in order to achieve your goals, you must learn to harness your power and use it wisely. You must combine your highest ideals with a practical approach to achieving your goals. This means that you must be willing to roll up your sleeves and do the hard work necessary to bring your dreams to life. It is also important for you to surround yourself with people who share your vision and who can help you achieve your goals. You are a natural leader, and you have the ability to inspire and motivate others to join you in your quest for greatness. By working together, you can accomplish things that would be impossible for you to do alone. Despite the challenges that come with the master number 22, it is important to remember that this number is a gift. It is a sign that you have the potential to achieve incredible things and leave a lasting legacy in this world. Your journey may be tough, but it is also incredibly rewarding. Embrace your strengths and weaknesses and use them to become the master builder that you were meant to be. This number is often associated with great power and the ability to achieve material success beyond what most people can even imagine. However, with this power comes great responsibility, and you must learn to use your gifts in a productive and beneficial way. You have been gifted with the ability to attain anything and everything you desire in the material world. Your potential for success is almost limitless, but you must learn to focus your energies in a positive direction. You have the potential to undertake the largest of endeavors, combining commercial and perhaps even political forces to achieve great things. However, it is important for you to remember that your individual growth and development depends on your ability to use your power for the greater good. You must work to benefit mankind and use your gifts to make a positive impact on the world. This may involve taking on large-scale projects that have the potential to benefit many people or using your resources to support causes that are important to you. It is also important for you to remain humble and grounded despite your immense power. Your journey will be one of growth and development, and it is essential that you remain open to learning and growing throughout your life. You have the potential to achieve great things, but it is up to you to use your power in a responsible and productive way. Again, the master number 22 is a powerful and enigmatic number that holds great potential for material success and achievement. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and you must learn to use your gifts in a positive and productive way. Your individual growth and development depend on your ability to come to grips with your power and use it for the greater good. Embrace your gifts, remain humble, and use your power to make a positive impact on the world. If you want to learn more about numerology, spiritual growth, and self-improvement, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Those who possess the master number 22 in their numerology chart are often faced with a unique set of challenges. While they have been blessed with immense power and potential for success, they may also struggle with feelings of pressure and a sense of overwhelming responsibility. It is not uncommon for those with master numbers to feel as though they must live up to their full potential at all times, which can lead to feelings of stress and anxiety. They may also struggle with finding a balance between their personal goals and their responsibilities to the world around them. However, it is important to remember that while the journey of the master number may be challenging, it is also incredibly rewarding. Those who possess this number have the potential to achieve incredible things and make a lasting impact on the world. To overcome the challenges associated with the master number 22, it is important to focus on self-awareness and personal growth. This may involve seeking out guidance and support from trusted advisors, such as spiritual teachers or life coaches, to help navigate the challenges that come with this powerful number. It is also important to maintain a sense of perspective and to remember that success is not just about achieving material goals. True success comes from a sense of fulfillment and purpose, and those with the master number 22 have the potential to find this sense of purpose through their work to benefit mankind. While it is not uncommon to feel overwhelmed or pressured by the potential for success, it is important to focus on personal growth and self-awareness to overcome these challenges. By remaining grounded and focused on the greater good, those with the master number 22 have the potential to achieve incredible things and leave a lasting legacy in the world. For many, it can be difficult to handle the powerful forces that are inherent in the master number 22. Others may look at those with this number and wonder why they do not seem to be utilizing their full potential. However, it is important to remember that the journey of the master number is a deeply personal one. While some may choose to focus their energies on achieving material success, others may choose to direct their power towards more spiritual or humanitarian pursuits. It is also important to remember that the latent power of the master number 22 can be incredibly intimidating to others. Those who possess this number may find themselves facing criticism or skepticism from those who do not understand the depth and complexity of their gifts. To truly harness the power of the master number 22, it is important to remain grounded and focused on personal growth and development. This may involve seeking out mentors or teachers who can help guide you on your journey, or engaging in practices such as meditation or mindfulness to help maintain a sense of balance and perspective. To truly harness the power of the master number 22, it is important to learn how to overcome these challenges and adopt a mindset of perseverance and determination. This may involve confronting your fears head-on, taking calculated risks, and learning to view setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Mastering hypersensitivity and insecurities is also key to achieving success with the master number 22. Those who possess this number are often highly sensitive to the energies around them and may struggle with feelings of self-doubt and insecurity. To overcome these challenges, it is important to focus on developing a strong sense of self-awareness and self-confidence. This may involve engaging in practices such as mindfulness, meditation, or journaling to help cultivate a greater sense of inner strength and resilience. It is also important to remember that achieving success with the master number 22 is not just about material achievements. True success comes from a sense of purpose and fulfillment in life, and those who possess this number have the potential to make a lasting impact on the world through their work to benefit humanity. If you want to learn which hidden force controls master number 22 life path the most, watch the next video. For a free numerology reading, check out the link below. Please use it wisely. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.